friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Santa Claus, and don't forget to pause the video and follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started in the center, slightly over more towards the left, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval in the middle of our face for the nose. We're going to draw on the mustache now, so coming beside that, we're going to curve this up, down, and out on the left. And then we're going to come across on the right, replicating that, drawing that at a similar size. Let's round this out now. So from that corner, curving this around, tucking that back up towards the center. Let's come up for the eye on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big circle. We'll move across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's move up. On the top left-hand side, let's draw in a circle for the highlight of the eye. And now we're going to come down on a diagonal, replicating that again. We're just going to make our second circle smaller. And then now let's color in our eye, black. Let's come underneath for the mouth. We're going to draw an arch line from left to right. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this up and over. And then the back portion of the mouth, just coloring that in black. Let's continue to close off the hat now. So moving up, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and up. We'll do the same on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's close this off on the top. We're going to draw in another curved line. Let's draw on the eyebrows up above. So we're going to curve this line across on the left and right-hand side on a slight diagonal. On the top here, we're going to arch this around and back in. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Let's move up. Let's close off the hat. On the right-hand side, curving this in. On the left-hand side here, we're going to arch this around and through towards the middle. Before we finish the rest of the hat on the right-hand side, let's come down and draw on the beard first. So stepping in, we're going to curve this around and in towards the mustache, and this is just going to close off the center of the face. Let's move across for the beard now from that corner, curving this down. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. Again, we're going to curve this out and then back up, leaving a gap in the middle. And then closing off the beard right in the center, we're just going to draw in another arch line from left to right. Let's come across drawing in the ears. We're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. We're going to do the same on the right. Now on the top here, let's curve this line out. And then coming underneath, we're just going to draw in a small half circle, curving that back in. Now let's continue to close off the rest of the hat. So starting up above, we're going to arch this around and down towards the side of the head. We're going to draw on the pom-pom here, so we're going to curve this around and down towards the ear on the left. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this back, around, and through underneath. Now from here, stepping up slightly, we're just going to curve this diagonal line in towards the side. Let's come down now, and on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in the hand. So we're going to curve this around and through towards the bottom. And then on the top here for the thumb, we're just going to curve this down. Let's draw on the handle here now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to draw in a small wavy line on a diagonal coming across. And then from that corner, we're just going to tuck this back in underneath the hand. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down. We're going to do the same as we move over on the right. Now let's close off the arm. So we're going to arch this around and in. On the top here, we're going to curve this around and up towards the beard. And then we're going to come directly underneath with another curved line from left to right. Let's draw on Santa's torso now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. Let's do the same on the right underneath, and we're going to end this at the same height. Now let's close this off with a curved line. Let's move in towards the middle for the belt. We're going to draw in a sideways rectangle. So we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming down on both sides, ending those at the same height. Let's close this off on the top with another straight line. Same thing on the bottom. Let's move in towards the middle and replicate that. So 2 more straight lines on the left and right hand side. Closing this off on the top and bottom. Now from here, we're going to close off the belt. So we're going to arch this line in on both sides. And then dropping down underneath. Let's close that off. Now let's step up on both sides. We're going to draw in a slight curved line coming in towards the beard. Let's draw on the left arm. On the side here, we're going to curve this line down. Closing off the wrist, we're going to arch this line in. And then stepping up, we're going to replicate that again. Now from here for the hand, we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line, tucking that in. Let's draw on the leg. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to arch this line down on the bottom on both sides, ending that at the same height. Let's draw on Santa's boots. So we're going to, for the bottom, curve this around and in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then now let's move up for the sole of the shoe. We're just going to replicate that shape, tucking that in. And then to close off the legs on the left and right hand side, we're going to arch this line up. Coming down, we're going to close this off with another curved line. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, replicating that. And then now we're going to draw on the bag of presents behind Santa, and this one's going to be quite big. So we're going to tuck the right hand side of it over on the right hand side. Coming across on the left, we're going to curve this all the way around and through towards the foot. And that is it. That's how you draw Santa Claus. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.